Okay, so in Australia, to register a trademark, it's IP, what am I doing? IP Australia. IP Australia is where you register a trademark in Australia, and you can just apply for that trademark. Let's just click on that. I'll give you the link for that. Now send to all. So here's how you apply for your trademark. Dead easy. It makes it super easy as well. I've got a couple of trademarks in Australia. Very, very easy to do. They make it an absolute doddle to do. And then in the US, you've got to go to uspto.gov, United States Patent and Trade Office. No thanks. So you've seen currently that the Democrats and Republicans are arguing in America, therefore the entire government's shut down, which is just the biggest joke you've ever heard. So, but this is where you go, uspto.gov/trademarks, register your trademark, send to all. That process in America is slow, all right? It's going to take you 7 to 8 months to get a trademark back for your product, which is a complete pain in the arse, but that's just what it is. It just takes that long. Although it's much cheaper than Australia to do it, but it actually takes a little bit of time. And then once you've got your trademark, I assume that you want that for brand registry, and then to apply for brand registry in America, because brand registry is not in Australia yet, you just go to services.amazon.com/brand.registry.html. I'll give you that as well. And then you can get your product brand registered, which gives you all sorts of benefits, not least of which you don't need to use UPC barcodes anymore. Gives you all sorts of benefits, okay? It's really cool. Stops people being able to get onto your listing and hijack your listing and stuff like that. It's really cool. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.